What's going on, my theme park enthusiasts? Today I'm here at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay, doing the final construction update of Hollow Screams. Right now I'm in front of the junkyard. I'll be having more later videos tonight. It looks pretty scary. If you want a little sneak peek, there's something back here. See a little bit of it. And I'm pretty sure much of you already know that we have exciting news coming in March of 2022. Iron Gwazi will be officially opening. Hopefully it stays like that. Get some awesome POV footage on it. Seeing if they changed anything about this area. You got the lockers and everything back here. Sign, wait time. I don't know if you can see it. And over here by the Iron Gwazi gift shop, they have a sign out that says opening March 2022. Pretty exciting. More better footage. Tonight for Hollow Screams in the festival field area. They have a pillager bar and doing a bunch of probably scary stuff. You get some great views of a lot of the coasters. If you also didn't know, August 13th through October 31st is Beer Fest too. So if you want to try some beers all around the world, come to Busch Gardens, Tampa. Beers are amazing. I mean, if you're a beer person or something. And they will be opening this field up at 8:30. It's exciting stuff. Over here by Sesame Street, it's in the shadows. Got a little shadow creature there. Got one over here. Let me know if you're coming to Hollow Screams for Busch Gardens, Tampa. This is my first time, honestly, going to be doing it. Get some more shadow creatures right there. They're like hidden real well. Look at this creepy looking thing. Wouldn't be surprised you have people hiding and jump scaring and stuff. Guess I'm hidden over there by the benches and stuff, but
Tu atención, por favor. Recomendamos que todas personas usen una máscara cubriendo la boca.
on over here by Tigress. I believe it's gonna be in this area where Tidal Wave used to be. If you guys were here when Tidal Wave came. One of the haunted houses. Yep, over here. This is where they're gonna either have probably the entrance, I would think, because I've seen long paths leading back to over that direction. Over there by Tigress, where it's like a snake pattern. Alright, you got the blood bar. All your alcoholic drinks and stuff. There you got the skeleton crew. This could be one of the scare zones. Looking like an old pirate ship that crashed down and stuff. And exciting news coming to Busch Gardens. You got Chick-fil-A. Screams for you guys. Well, they have animals in here, but today for wax machines they have Hollow Scream. Looks like an owl mixed with a zebra's nose. Vio, they have another haunted house. It's called the Resistance, and they also have an area for the kids too. And over here you have the Deadly Toys scare zone for kids. Got a Nutcracker. Little picture thing for the kids. The Deadly Toys, called Little Nightmares. Of course, I'm on the wrong side for this. Over here next to the Serengeti Express, I have a bunch of random doors. Maybe they might have people behind it. Another Halloween wax mold. Only $5. Not bad. We'll be having the voodoo scare zone. Bunch of houses over here. The Voodoo Shack. Got a bunch of interesting stuff in here. Pretty sure this is where you can probably buy drinks, souvenirs, stuff like that. By the looks of it.
At 7 o'clock tonight,
Over here, they have a voodoo statue. The work that Busch Gardens goes into this stuff is amazing. Look at that. If I can get it open. A scare zone. It's gonna be called Death Waters Bayou Blood Moon. Scare zone over here sells Z blocks. You buy front of the line Fear Passes entrance. I'll let the zombie prisoners get you. We got this old bus. Wouldn't be surprised if they let people out of this and scare. You can see a little hand if you can.